Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mo Love, and I'm back with another video. How y'all doing today? I hope everyone's doing well. As y'all can tell by the title, today I will be doing another wig review, and the wig review is from the company Afsisterwig. I've worked with this company before, and they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review another wig. And I said yes. I had a good experience with the last one, so I said I'll go ahead and give it a shot. So that will be today's video. So if you would like to see all the details on this wig, please stay tuned. And if you're new here, hey boo, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. My name is Monica. You can call me Mo. It's all love, baby. It's all love. On this channel here, you're going to get a variety of different things. Your girl loves fashion. I love shopping. I love to shop for affordable, nice clothing. So if you are interested in affordable clothing, this is the channel. If you're interested in hair reviews, this is the channel. And if you're interested in thrifting, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, join the crew. We would love to have you. And while you're at it, if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up for your girl. And for my returning subscribers, hey y'all, thank y'all for coming back to rock with your girl. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the review. This is the wig straight out the box. Comes with the hairnet and the paper inside to keep it shaped. Right, this is how she's looking straight out the box. This is a 14-inch, 13 by 6 curly wig, curly bob wig. It's a bob shape and it's 14 inches. And as you can see, it's a honey blonde highlighted wig, and the color is so pretty. The highlights are absolutely beautiful. The curls are so beautiful. It's very, very soft. I like the thickness of it. It's 150% density, and I like that density. It's like I said, 13 by 6, so you do have some lace, and it is pre-plucked. You can see it is pre-plucked. Now on the description, it did say that the knots were slightly bleached, but I'm looking at it and it doesn't look too bad. So I won't bleach up all the knots. I'm just gonna put a little spray, an ebon tint spray on the cap and on the wig. So I'll just do that. But if you wanted to, you can bleach the knots. But like I say, it is pre-plucked pretty good. I'm probably just going to pluck it apart a little bit. So this is a T-part, which means that there's only this part in the middle right here. So this wig, you can only part it in the middle. It's the T-part. So yes, but it looks pretty nice. And the inside, they have the combs, 2 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom. And I love that it comes with this adjustable strap right here. You can remove, you can use it if you didn't want to. So yeah, you just attach it at the other end. And like I said, if you didn't want to use it, you can take it off. But I love this because this adds an extra security. So you don't have to worry about your wig flying off. Especially if you like me, I don't glue it down and I just, put a little got to be. And so I just wear it a day and take it off. So that strap comes in handy. I love it came with that. And it has your normal adjustable straps. They have 2 of these also. So it looks like it's constructed pretty good. Like I said, it's very soft and thick. It's not too long. It's 14 inches. Yeah, so very pretty. Let's see if blinds have more fun, you guys. This might be my birthday wig. My birthday coming up. Trying something new. Might be my birthday wig. Let's see how it looks, you guys. So I'll go ahead and put it on and see what we're working with. I have the wig on and I have it on with the adjustable strap, and it fits pretty good. And like I say, the cap size, it says in the description, is like a medium size. So I think it fits nice. It's good and snug. This is the lace. It's that brown lace. And as you can tell, this is the middle part right here, the T part right here. But this is the length. I love the color. It's so pretty. The highlights, oh my goodness, it is so cute. I love the color. I didn't know how it would work with my skin tone. But baby, I'm gonna get my Beyonce on. You heard me? Yes, I love it. It's so soft. I'm running my fingers through it. I love the curls. The curls are pretty. You can wear it like this, or you can wet it. And I love that aspect of it. You don't have to worry about curling it with a curling iron. Now, if you wanted to, you probably could straighten it out. But I'm here for the curls, the easy, low maintenance curls. Yes, honey, love it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace, you guys. And like I say, I'm just gonna spray it down, you know, with a little got to be. And for some reason, I cannot find my lace, my tinted lace spray, so I might just use a little foundation up here. But it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. I will pre-pluck it. I will pluck it some more because it's looking a little dense, but not too much. But this is the length. I love the length of it. Very nice. Hello, Sasha Fierce. So we'll go ahead and cut the lace, glue her down, style her up a little bit, and see what she's working with. So stay tuned. Alright, found my tint spray.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away.
this is the final look. This is how she came out, and I am in love. I absolutely love the curl pattern. And let's get into these highlights. Oh my goodness, look how pretty these highlights are. It's like a honey blonde with brown mixture, and I love how the highlights are distributed. Matter of fact, I did have a wig similar to this before that I reviewed. I will link that down in the description box, but that one was just a straight bob, and I think that one was a 14-inch also. It wasn't a curly style, it was just a straight bob, but I like this one better. I'm into these curly hair, these curly wigs, because I love the ease of them. All you gotta do is put it on, put a little water if you want it shiny, and if you want it, you know, that wet look, or you can wear it like in its natural state. You can brush it out a little bit and wear it puffy, like big and puffy. I can't even say it. Big and puffy. So yeah, that's an option also, or you can even straighten it. But I love this style. It's so easy, and I just put a little got to be. I didn't do any baby hairs this time, and like I said, this is a T-part wig, so it's just you only get that middle part right here. So I did go in and pluck it just a little bit, just a little tiny bit, but I didn't do much. And I put some wax up here to lay down the front, and I also put some water, just a little. I don't put a lot of water. I put a little water, and I added some of the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, just to give it a little more shine, and you know, just a little conditioner. And that is an option. You don't have to do that. And I also put a little mousse at the top, you know, for the flyaways and stuff like that, but it doesn't have a lot. The only shedding that I got was from when I did that little plucking right here in the middle part. So of course, when you pluck it, you're going to get a little shedding from that. That was the hair coming out, but that was all the shedding. I'm running my hands through it. Nothing's coming out, no shedding, no tangling. This hair is so soft and beautiful. I love the length. It is a 14-inch, and it is in like a bob cut. You can tell it's cut in a bob. I love how it's cut. The length is perfect. And look, I'm in love, you guys. I absolutely love this unit. The highlights are so beautiful and vibrant. The cut is good. This is a beautiful wig, and I think it goes good with my complexion. I think this might be my birthday wig, you know what I'm saying? Yes, love it. I love it. Has that bounce and that body. This is how she's looking in the back, and yes, that's how the length is in the back. So pretty. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I didn't put any baby hairs in it this time, but I like how it looks. You can always add baby hairs if you would like. Very cute, very soft. This is a winner. All the information will be linked in the description box. This is an Amazon wig, so if you order it through Amazon Prime, you'll get it within 1 to 3 days. So awesome. This is perfect for the holidays, you guys. Easy, throw on and go type of wig. No shedding, no tangling. Earlier I couldn't find my wigs, my tinted lace spray, but I found that this spray, y'all, is so good. I absolutely love it. And the color that I use is dark brown. This is how it looks. So I just sprayed a little bit up here on the top of the wig, and also on my wig cap, and it blended in pretty good. I think it blended in pretty good. So yeah, so that is an option. If you don't want to, you know, bleach the knots and do all of that. I haven't learned how to do that. That's coming up. I probably will learn that, but I'm just a throw on and go type of girl. So the less time, the better. But you guys, this is an awesome wig. I would not steer you wrong. I want to thank Afsisterwig for reaching out and working with me again. I appreciate it. I love this unit. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I will recommend. All the information will be down in the description box, you guys. So don't forget to go ahead and look in there. But this is a beautiful wig, you guys. Love it. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, you guys. That will be the end of this video. I'm working on another video right after this. I'm trying to get that content out while I can. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and put on your notification bell. Don't forget to put that on so you'll be notified when your girl do upload. And we'll be having a try on haul cut up very soon, so y'all stay on the lookout for that. All right, you guys, thank y'all for watching, and until the next one, love y'all.